And I think this is called Bobo. And this is my favorite one where they're holding a marshmallow. I decided to do unboxing time. Oh, this is not very fun unboxing experience, but I'm bringing you through it. This is Bobo. This is the quokka. Cute. And it's holding a marshmallow. Can you see it? To get it there. Since I have this fire here, I'm gonna take away my candle. I'm planning to place ham roasting the marshmallow beside the campfire, and then there. How cute is that? Then maybe this will just be at the back. And this is the smiski I got just now, and this is the cheer series. Oh no! This is the only one I didn't really want. But it's okay. This is the other cheer series, or with the drum, and this is the new one. I don't know what's on his head. That's okay. I guess they're cheering for me. So cute.
I'm just having egg and mushroom.
Today is a Sai Kung day. Yay! The weather is just too good today not to go out.
Yes, search coffee.
I don't know if you can see it, but someone's flying a kite there. Pretty today, look.
Just by
The weather is actually beautiful today. Let me show
Every
you.
day.
Wow. Would you look at that?
Okay, bye. Oh, we are control ourselves.
pumpkin soup. And then we have vegetable cake.
你可以，
可以夾咯。
但係不過 before 佢嚟呢個 centre，佢通常係個 QR code 俾你 scan，and then 佢會話晒俾你啲資料，俾多啲錢咯 something like that。我唔知。
It's my first steak. Well, kind of, not really, but I tried. But yes, first steak at home. Very good.
好。
So we might adopt a kitten, and what we have to do is I have to put up nets on the windows so that the cats won't climb up. And this is a temporary fix or like a temporary situation just to like through the adoption process, and hopefully it works out. I went to see a kitten on Monday. He was so perfect. I already have a name for him, which is Hoji. Short for Hoji-cha. I don't know if I'll get to adopt him at the end, but I really hope so. So I'm just doing what I can do at the moment. But this is also actually after a really long debate, you know, a lot of thinking from my family's part and my part. So we felt like he would be a really good addition to the family, someone that I can take care of and love on, and also can spend time together. And I'm just at home. Having a kitten really fits my lifestyle. Right now, I think I'll be able to give him a lot of love too, and I'm sure he's gonna bring so much joy to the family as well. I should use scissors, but I'm lazy. Nice. The idea is to make 2 of these zip wire. I think they're wires. Just to zip wire this one. Oops, wrong side. Just cut it.